Hello craft heroes! Here's what the finished flower of the cactus potted plant looks like. Now let's crochet this section together using yellow yarn and pink yarn. For round 1, we need to work 5 single crochet around a magic ring, 5 stitches in total. Now left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, and loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Pinch the crossover point of the X with your thumb and middle finger to secure it. Insert hook into this loop. Pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make one magic ring. Now we need to work 5 single crochet. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring. Yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through these 2 loops, so this is 1 single crochet. We can see the V shape of the stitch. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Repeat 4 more times to work 5 single crochet. The second single crochet, 3, 4. For the 5th single crochet, insert hook into the hole of the magic ring. Yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. Because we need to change the pink color yarn for the next rounds, we need to change the color in advance at the last stitch of round 1. See 2 yellow loops on hook. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Hold the pink yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your left pinky. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Leave a 3-inch long tail and press the pink yarn onto the back of the yellow piece. Yarn over with the pink yarn and pull through the 2 yellow loops on hook to finish this 5th single crochet. Now insert hook into the marking stitch and work 1 slip stitch with pink yarn to finish round 1. We can put the 2 color yarn tails on hook, then crochet over it as you work to hide them. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop so we have finished round 1. The slip stitch at the end of the round is just for joining. It does not count as a stitch. Please do not include it when counting your stitches. For round 2, we need to work 5 sequences of 1 chain stitch, 1 half double crochet increase in 1 stitch, 1 chain stitch, 1 slip stitch in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Yarn over and insert hook into the first stitch to work half double crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull it through the 3 loops on hook. Mark this stitch and work the second half double crochet in the same stitch to complete half double crochet increase. Finished 1 half double crochet increase. Continue with 1 chain stitch next and work 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Next, yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. Finished 1 sequence of 1 chain stitch. Half double crochet increase, 1 chain stitch, 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Continue with 1 chain stitch next. For the half double crochet increase, work half double crochet first and work the second half double crochet in the same stitch to complete half double crochet increase. And work 1 chain stitch next, and work 1 slip stitch in the next stitch. Finish 2 sequences. We need to repeat with 3 more sequences. Finished 4 sequences. For the 5th sequence, 1 chain stitch first. For the half double crochet increase, work 1 double crochet first and work the second half double crochet in the same stitch to complete half double crochet increase. Continue with 1 chain stitch. Next, work 1 slip stitch in the next stitch work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 8-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull through the loop to pull tight. Cut off the yarn. Now we have finished the flower of the cactus potted plant.